Did you know that some cheaters are so bold they'll move their mistress into your own home while you're at work? Janet thought she knew her husband, Rick, until she found mystery keys in his gym bag with an address she didn't recognize. The address looked familiar, but she couldn't place it. Then it hit her. It was her own address. Confused, Janet decided to test the keys. They worked perfectly on her front door. But why would Rick need extra keys to his own house? Janet called in sick the next day to find out. What she discovered at 3 in the afternoon changed everything. A pregnant woman was cooking dinner in Janet's kitchen, wearing Janet's favorite dress, using Janet's grandmother's secret recipe. But the worst part? The woman was wearing Janet's grandmother's engagement ring, the same ring Rick had given Janet years ago. Rick's mistress had been playing house in Janet's life for 6 months, every day from 9 to 5 while Janet worked to pay the bills. The ultimate betrayal was complete.